In Dr. Vandana Hegde. I'm the clinical director at Hegde Fertility. Today we have a meeting here with all our. Today we have a celebration of International Women's Day at our hospital. And regarding International Women's Day, మేము ఎప్పుడు మాట్లాడితే we always talk about giving equal opportunity women ki, and we to support the women also to achieve as equal to men in every field. And at the same time, we also talk about maintaining body positivity, etc. So as a fertility specialist, నేనేం అబ్జర్వ్ చేశానంటే for the last 15 years where women got all the opportunity to do well in life, వాళ్ళ కెరియర్లో they have been highly successful, and I think this is one democratic country which gave equal opportunity to all women. And but as one of the important parts of a woman is probably right to motherhood and చెప్పొచ్చు, and that's something which I have seen very highly, successful women, they have lost that opportunity. And I've come across many women because I practice at High Tech City, where we meet a lot of women who have been very successful in their career, but over time I think somewhere they missed that opportunity to have their own child. So that's something that I want to bring light to today on this occasion of Women's Day, that yes, I'm not against, definitely not against. I want every girl to achieve all her dreams that she ever wanted in life. At the same time, be aware that there is something called a biological clock ticking ఒక అమ్మాయి బాడీలో. And that's the reason that today we have launched 3 departments in our Hegde Fertility Center. One is the Department of Reproductive Genetics. The other is a Department of Recurrent Implantation Failure or Recurrent Pregnancy Loss Clinic. And the other is Department of Immunology. Now, ఎందుకు ఇది కావాలి? See, the most important reasons ఇప్పుడు ఫర్టిలిటీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తుంది is definitely associated with women's ovarian aging. And we have seen quite a few patients ఇప్పుడు IVF చేయించుకొనినో వాళ్ళకి they have not been successful. So these are the little more advanced treatments which we have started giving at Hegde Fertility to improvise our success rate. And on this occasion of International Women's Day, the theme is accelerate action. And I would want to start by starting it from our hospital, where we are all there to support you women achieve your dreams, at the same time achieve your right to motherhood in the probably at the right time. And definitely Danni, it is not a replacement for natural fertility, definitely no, but we want to bring more awareness to this specialty, and encourage more women to avail these services, especially when technology is advancing so fast. I think we need to bring this awareness to couples early on, so that these decisions can be taken early. Definitely today we have got fertility preservation, regenerative medicine. So idanni are there as pillars for women who are going behind their dreams to achieve a successful career. So with the launch of all these departments at Hegde Fertility, I encourage women to be more successful in their dreams, at the same time not leave their right to motherhood behind. Thank you so much.